Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Maybe part 3 of this, but for surely part 2. Somebody gave me this and they wanted equal distance between the sides and between each unit. And I did it. And all 3 of my math gurus commented that I did it right, except for they would have done a little bit different. I'm going to do it completely different without using math. I am going to draw a 2-point line at this box, and I'm going to nudge it down. I'm going to draw another 2-point line, and I'm going to nudge it down. Whoop. Now I'm going to take my 4 objects, and I'm going to nudge them. Well, I'm going to grab my 4 objects and nudge them down. Now, so there are now 6 objects. This is so easy, I don't know why I didn't think of it earlier. Windows, Dockers, and line and distribute. And you have to pick this one right here, which is distribute space horizontally. Look at that. Now, take our 4 objects and put them back up to the box. And if we get our parallel dimension tool, we're at 0.55, 0.55, 0.55. I'm almost embarrassed I didn't think about this earlier. But a lot of people wouldn't think about making an object, the box can't be in an object, so make another object equal to the box. And then, because the hardest part on this was if you watch part 1 or part 2, I don't know how many I made on this, the little square was 0.787. The whole box is 9.5.906. So think about it next time you need to space out something equally on the sides. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.